Uh, in this video, we gonna see 7th May trade breakdown of the trade which I took in the indices. Uh, yeah, let's get into the video. Before coming, before coming into uh, the trade, like what I'm noticing is like ES and NQ is in all-time highs. ES and NQ is in all-time highs, so expansion candle offer two candles. I need some sort of retracement, and I probably also expected that this small wick can expand a lot, and it expanded as well as in YM. It's not in a all-time highs. Maybe my full-time draw is like here, my all-time draw is like here, but I noticed that this is a retracement move. How in the sense, like I went to a 4 hour. What 4 hour shows me? This is a daily open, and it's consecutive days of consecutive 4 hours has expanded in NQ. See right here, and see now the thing is like this candle gives us a SMT, right? 6 to 2 to 6, right? 2 to 6 candle gives us SMT as P close as a PSP as well, right? This as a PSP. Okay, PSP. Now, have you guys noticed that this candle closes as a PSP? I know, I know this candle maybe could be a PSP. Wait a minute. See, this candle closes as a PSP. I thought it will give us a strength switch as somewhere like uh this is SMT, right? I thought this candle will goes up. See, this is a decoupled market, decoupled move. 9:30, it's fully bullish expansion in Nasdaq, and in a bearish expansion in YM. See, it is a bearish expansion. Okay, Ferocious took this trade. I think so. Now, what the point is, either one of the market, the Nasdaq or else the YM should be consolidate or else retracement. It's like a failure to manipulate scenario happen to trade the original side of the market, which is basically I can expect Nasdaq, because this is a two range in a high, too high in a range, and in YM it's absolutely two-stage PSP, and it expanded lower with the close of a PSP candle with a two-stage at highs. I got a two-stage. I expect that 10 a.m. 4 hour should be get down to go down lower until these lows, probably maybe this internal. I don't know where it will go. And have you guys one thing noticed that at the same time in a ES doesn't took those size until 10 a.m. See, now ES doesn't took the highs until 10 a.m. In 4 hour, this is also an PSP as a two stage. We can probably trade these two stage, but we need a strength switch. I demanded a fucking strength switch to trade. That's why, because I didn't get end up with a loss today. If I took the trade right here, oh yes, is expanding. What's the time? 8:55, 9:55, 9:30. Oh yes, expanding. I can took this trade right here, but I fucking demanded a strength switch. It's because that thing, but the strength switch is basically a deep range in the high market gives us a lower failure swing. And see, this is I can say this as a clearly middle asset SMT break. I'll let you write here. Middle asset SMT break into reversal. See, we got an NQ right here. It will go all the way up right here, and this is 11 a.m. open, Have you guys ever noticed it's a too deep in a range gives us a strength switch? This is the fucking 10 strength switch. As the 10 a.m. candle closes, the 11 a.m. candle opens. It's a fucking strength switch. Have you guys ever noticed this in YMC? Where is the 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. 11 a.m. It's not an SMT. It's not a normal SMT. It's a fucking strength switch. YM also switched strength right here. It's not basically a switching strength in YM, but in ES it is switching strength. See, it's too high in a range. It's too high in a range in a Nasdaq. Gives a failure swing as a strength switch SMT. Now YM broke this highs. Okay, YM broke this highs. Still, it didn't broke this highs. Maybe the 6 a.m. highs can be broke out. Okay, even this is as a SMT, like this stage 1 stage 2 SMT. Now this gives us a strength switch. I went into half an hour in Nasdaq and saw. I don't even went to half an hour. I went here, right here, fucking trade. I took the trade right here. The 5 minutes. This is 11 a.m. open. This is 11 a.m. open. I went to 1 minute. I waited for these lows to be break out. Probably I got this low break out in a 3 minute as well. See, it's broke out in a 3 minute, and I took my entry right here. My stops at 11 a.m. highs. I got this fucking 2.5. This is how the middle asset SMT break works. Even in YM, it goes somewhere. But see, have you guys noticed right here? It's it's a two stage. Okay, now see 10 a.m. high is not even took in a 11 a.m. But in RTY it did. See, 11 10 a.m. We have already a 4 or 2 stage right here. This is a 2 a.m. 6 a.m. 2 stage. Sorry, one stage. It's a PSP in a Nasdaq. Okay, right there. One stage, and here it's a one stage, and I got this is a simple logic which took which doesn't took out the highs in a higher time frame. We got SMT fill in H1. It took the highs. See, in H4 it didn't took the highs, but in H1 it took the highs SMT fill. Now it took the highs in higher time frame, it didn't took the highs in lower time frame. It's a bullish PSP, two stage. It's PSP plus lower SMT. It gives a strength switch. It's a bullish. Sorry. It's not a two stage. Here we have a SMT failure swing. We got a turtle swoop one, and we enter in a 5 minutes. That's it. Simple fucking entry. This entry took by UV trades. UV. It took, and we got assist right here. We can enter right here. We could probably enter right here. And our draws were maybe this lows. Yeah, this fucking lows. These were the trade took by UV trades, and before that, these were the trade took by me, which is middle asset SMT break into reversal. Yeah, it's probably, and the wick size doesn't matter for expansion. It's not expansion. Maybe it's a reversal candle. It's maybe a fucking reversal. See the wick size. I expected it. See, it doesn't expand moreover right here up to 29 or 30,000. So I expect a reversal. My 4-hour profile, see, my 4-hour profile, maybe it's an big size reversal candle have a big size, so I took this reversal expansion candle. This is a reversal expansion fucking C2, not C3. It's a C3, maybe it's a C3, but the C3 aligns as a reversal expansion for me. In YM it's a C2. I traded a C3 as continuation, if probably not, but in Nasdaq it's a fucking C3 reversal expansion. Yeah, middle asset SMT break.